it's Fran, and this is Frantoku Demo, and today we're going to do is number 1 Sentai Gosuger DX Ryo Tega Sword. So here's the box, and we got here is the sword, on the back the Ryo Tega Sword, then Ryo Tega Sword Goshu Wolf, and on the back is everything that you want to know about it. On the top we got the modes, on the side we got Ryo Tega Sword Goshu Wolf. On the other side, we got the Ryo Tega Sword. And most of all is the warning choking hazard. So with no further ado, let's begin. And here it is, the final and powerful Tega Sword. As you can see, and unlike the regular Tega Sword, it's a two-handed, or in this case, a small-handed great sword. Composes of blues and gold in color from the blade. The guards are 2 Tega Sword hands, the logo on the pommel, and in the middle is where the rings is inserted. And in the mid blade, there are sort of hieroglyphics in which are the 6 core rangers. And now let's do the sounds, and on the back, located on the right guard, is where the power switch located, and on the left is the speaker. So now let's turn this on. Okay, it says Ryo Tega Sword, and also have the trigger located right here. So composes of slashes right there. And now let's do with the Ryo Tega Sword ring. So this had ability to transform into Ryo Tega Sword form. So this had a blue, gold, and red in color, and a unique feature about this, it has inscribed the number 1. So this is the N0 then point 1. So number 1. And if you lift up, it will expose the face. And now let's do the transformation. So, engage. Okay, so now we transform into Ryo Tega Sword form. So in this form, Goshu Wolf is equipped with the armor which is composed of 2 Tega Sword hands. So now to do the finisher. And to do that is by holding the trigger. Okay, standby sound, then release. Okay, so now we perform the finisher. So in this one, the armor will turn into a pair of arms. So in this arm, each can be equipped with the certain weapon from a ranger. For example, Ryo Goshu Wolf equipped with the Wolf Excalibur. And the others, yeah. And the fun, really interesting part about this is each core member can do this. So yeah, I think we find out last week, Goshu Leon, yeah, he did this to defeat his what we call the one who manipulated him. So yeah, very interesting story, and yeah, and that arc ends, so another story. So we are waiting for the other core members to do the same. I think Goshu Eagle also doing this weekend, so I'll be waiting for that. Ryo Tega Sword can also use universe rings to channel previous Red Rangers and use their special attack. So first we're going to do is with King Odger's ring. Okay, so that's Odger finisher. And now with Don Brothers. Okay, and now with Rio Soldier ring. Okay, so now we go with Shinkenger. Alright. Now with Boom Boomger. Alright. Now with Go Buster. Okay, so it's time for Special Buster. And one more. Okay, now let's go with the classic. So here's Gingaman. Now let's go with the Tegasword rings, which can perform their individual weapon finishers. So we go first with the red Tegasword. Okay, so now let's go with the blue Tegasword. Okay, then we go with the yellow Tegasword. Okay, so the other feature about this is you can also not push the trigger to wait for the, the announcement. So, yeah. And now let's go with green Tegasword. Okay, And now with Black Tegasword. Okay. And now with the booster. Now let's do the combination. So we bring back again Tegasword. For this form, it includes another pair of arms. So first we're going to disassemble the sword by pressing the gold lever on the back. And once it pulls, it will make an announcement. Okay, so we turn this thing on too. Okay, so we're going to remove the arms and the torso. I'm going to insert it right here. Okay. Going to turn again the leg. Going to attach the arms. And now we're going to disassemble the leg. I'm going to fold it like that. And this too. I'm going to attach it right here. Okay. The music stops, but we're still going, and we're going to attach the swords in here. Okay, and then the head. And lift it up. And then okay, so now we have here is Ryo Tegasword Robo form. So now we got here are the two swords, which is the bigger and longer version of the regular sword that he had here, and also we got the two Tegasword hands, and also have the two bladed shins right here, and also in the center is where the finisher goes on. And now we're going to do the finisher, and we're going to press it right here. So go. Okay, so the other finisher is we're going to remove the head and we're going to place it in the chest. Now let's do the alternate combination. This time it involves the team's 5 core weapons. So we're going to set them aside. And first we're going to remove the arms. And we're going to put the blade on the outer part of the hand. And we're going to attach it right here. Two. Okay, that's one. And all right, so there you go. And then next we're going to get the Leon Buster and remove this, and I'm going to attach it right here. And next is the Tyranno hammer, and we're going to use the other half. And go right there. And next we're going to get the eagle shooter, and we're only going to use the crossbow. So it goes right here on the top. We're going to clip it like that. And then we're going to get the unicorn drill, and only get the head and the horn, and we're going to attach it on the top. And finally we're going to get the wolf decarber, and we're going to remove the top, and we're going to insert it right here. All right, and okay, so now we got here is the Rio Tegasword 5 colors. And now I'm going to do the finisher again. And that's it for the DX Rio Tegasword. So thanks for watching. Until the next demo, ciao.